Now the device is properly positioned and connected to the seca cloud. You're ready to begin the first measurement. In this video, we'll walk you through the RFID scan workflow. This tutorial works with all Alpha, Ultra, and Pro models of the seca TRU and seca mBCA product lines. For the RFID workflow, make sure an RFID reader is installed on your device. Tap your RFID chip on the reader to identify yourself on the device. The device will automatically recognize you and guide you through the next steps. Now, step onto the platform with bare feet, positioning them on the foot-shaped LEDs. After your weight is measured, enter your height. With the Ultra models, height is measured automatically. Then tap on BIA to start your body composition measurement. Grab the hand electrodes, making sure the finger separator is positioned between the middle and ring fingers. The device will start the measurement automatically as soon as contact with the electrodes is established. After the measurement, tap on the check mark to save the measurement. The results can be assessed via the myAnalytics app by the measured person, or seca Analytics 125 cloud software by the medical or fitness professional. In addition to the RFID scan workflow, we offer you further options for user identification. Please don't hesitate to contact our seca service team for more information.